Hello students, welcome to the first years for you for civil and mechanical students. This is the fourth module, ordinary differential equations of higher order. Yes, uh, in the third module you have studied the differential equations for first order. Yes, so before starting this module, let us know what do you mean by differential equation. Ordinary differential equation with the constant coefficients we are going to study now. Yes, differential equations means what? These are the equations which contains the derivative in the equation. Simple. Derivation ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ derivative ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು differential equations ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Equations normal equations ಗೊತ್ತು polynomial equation ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ derivative ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ polynomials ಅದಕ್ಕೆ differential equation ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಿ. All you know that. Differential equations ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Just you see differential equations. Differential equations ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? ಲೀನಿಯರ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು? ಮೇನು ODE ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್, ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ODE ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪು, ಲೀನಿಯರ್, ಸೊ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ differential equation, that is linear ordinary differential equation, and non-linear ordinary differential equation. Yes, next to linear ordinary differential equation ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So in this linear differential equations are like first order ODE, first order differential equations. ಇಲ್ಲಿ next higher order differential equations. Yes, the ODE, higher order ODE. So first order ಅಲ್ಲಿ already ನೀವೀಗ third module ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ. What is that? In the third module you people have studied first order ODE. In first order ODE, separation of variables, separation of variable. Second, homogeneous ODE, homogeneous ordinary differential equations. Third one, exact differential equations. Fourth one, differential equation of this type, dy by dx plus py equal to q. For such type of equations you have a standard solution. Is ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ. And some of the application part you have studied. Application parts you have studied in the all this in third module. Now in higher order differential equation, again in this we have two types. One is differential equations with constant coefficients, with constant coefficients. Differential equation of the form with variable coefficients means what? Differential equations irtavu, we classify them with the nature of their coefficients. Yes, with constant coefficients, again in this equations, differential equations with constant coefficients ali you have two types. In this we have two types, those are homogeneous differential equation and non-homogeneous differential equation. Yes, and with variable coefficients In variable coefficients, we are going to study main two forms. Those are the specific forms. Those are Cauchy differential equation and legendary differential equation. Those are discussed in this. Yes. What are those? In non-homogeneous with variable coefficients, we are studying two specific forms. One is Cauchy's differential equation and second one is Legendry's differential equation, and both of them are discussed uh, by reducing them to ordinary differential equation with constant coefficients, and those two are using the specific substitution. Yes, this is what this is the differential equation flowchart, and here in the fourth module you people are studying this higher order ODE with constant coefficient, with variable coefficients, homogeneous, non-homogeneous, everything. This part, this you have covered all these in third module. Yes, now we are concentrating only on this topic, and this specific form, this one, this you are going to study in next semester. PD, partial differential equation, you are going to study next semester. So now, to begin with this module, this chapter, first you must know, one must know linear differential equation of second order and higher order constant coefficients. It is a standard form. Yes, how will you basic? So linear differential equations of second order and higher order with constant coefficients. So basically for that we need to write down the standard form. So general form of differential equation is, so we call linear differential equation as a linear if the dependent variable and its derivatives are of first degree. Yes. Now we don't the differential equation of the form, we'll write the general form as a naught d raised to n y by dx raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 y by d raised to x raised to n minus 1 plus so on an minus 1 dy by dx plus an y is equal to phi of x. Call this as equation star. This is what a general form of a differential equation. Here a naught, a1, an minus 1, an are all are constant coefficients. As where we mention them, where a naught, a1, a2, so on, an are all constants. Yes, these are all constants is called a linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. The star equation is a linear differential equation of which order? Up to we have n. Yes, so equation of nth order with, these are coefficients as I said, so with, but these are constants with constant coefficients. With constant coefficients. So now we use the familiar notation for this is to represent these different derivative formulas, derivative notations. We'll use the notations. So these are called as we use notations. These are called what? D raised to ny by dx raised to natwa dy by dx. This is called as a differential operator as notations of differential operator, differential operator for operators. We denote d by dx as capital D. Yes, d square by dx square as d square. So on d raised to n by dx raised to n is equal to d raised to n. Understood? Just d by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ d square by dx square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ d square, d raised to n by dx raised to n ಅಂದ್ರೆ d raised to n. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ y ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಎನಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ y. ಯಾಕೆ y x ಇದ್ರೆ x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x with respect to x we are doing, so y ಇದ್ರೆ y. So common. So but these differential operator, it is denoted by d square, d raised to n, so on. So then use this in the star equation, then equation becomes what now? Yes, the differential, the above star equation can be put in the form ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a naught d raised to n plus in y plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 y, y raised to y, it is y plus so on an minus 1 d y plus an is equal to phi of x. We don't need this bracket now, we put that is equal to phi of x. Now in the LHS you can take y common. Yes, so a naught d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1, so on an minus 1 d plus an into y is equal to phi of x. This is nothing but what? This one, the equation in the LHS, it is nothing but the function in d. So f of d y is equal to phi of x. So call this as equation 1. This is linear differential equation. Yes. Now depending upon this nature of phi of x, nature of RHS of the given differential equation, you can classify the equation which type of differential equation it is. Yes. If phi of x is 0, the equation it becomes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು phi of x 0 ಆದರೆ the equation f of d into y equal to 0 is called homogeneous. As I said before, you are going to study two types of differential equation here in this module, homogeneous differential equations and non-homogeneous. Yes, remember? So now we arrived at homogeneous equation. When you call a given differential equation as homogeneous, as if phi of x not equal to 0, then equation 1 is called as non-homogeneous. It is called as non-homogeneous equation. Yes. Yes, in today's class, what you have learned? We have learned we have classified the differential equations as, just while recall once. We have studied the differential equations, its types and the types of ODE. Again, types of linear ordinary differential equation. In the linear, you have studied first order differential equations, and now in the fourth module, you are going to study higher order differential equation. In higher order differential equations, you are going to study the differential equations with constant coefficients and with variable coefficients. With the constant coefficients, you have two types, homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Now, in today's class, what we have covered? We have covered what do you mean by higher order differential equation, the general form, and with the constant coefficients. And when this higher order differential equation is called as homogeneous and non-homogeneous, that we have studied in this. Yes, in the next class, I will discuss solution of homogeneous linear differential equation. How to write the solution of homogeneous linear differential equation and non-homogeneous differential equation as well, and how to write the or how to find the complementary function of the given differential equation. All this will cover in the next class. Next. Till then, stay connected. Subscribe my channel for the notifications of further videos. Practice the classes. Till then, take care. Thank you.